Hello developers, in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to convert HTML form data to JSON object using JavaScript and jQuery. As you can see that I have already posted an article about this topic on my blog codingdiksha.com. I have also given this article link on the video description. Okay, let's move on to the tutorial. Let me open the Visual Studio Code first for code editing. It is opened. Now let me open the project folder which I have already created for this project, JavaScript. There are no files inside this folder. I just opened the empty folder. Okay. Now let me create a new file. Actually, the plugin form2JSON jQuery plugin. It is used to convert HTML form data to JSON object. Okay. We need to download and include via the script tag. First, let me copy and paste the HTML code. I am going to save the file as index.html. Now let me create a new file again. I am going to save this file as script.js. Script.js. Yeah, this is the jQuery code. Okay, let me explain it first. As you can see here, inside the head section there is a title and the link for the style sheet form2json.jss, and inside the body section sample form, then there is a paragraph star marked fields are required. Then inside the form ID is my capital letter F O R M, my form. Okay, inside that there are a lot of div tags, divisions. Division classes are form row. Inside that there is a label and the input fields, right? Like that we are getting the values from the user's first name, last name, email, phone number, subject, comments, etc. Right? Finally, we are going to display the results inside the division for the division class equal to results, paragraph class equal to results JSON output. Okay. I included the jQuery and other form2JSON scripts using the script tag. Okay, here. That's it. Inside the script.js file, we are using it is a TypeScript use strict, then jQuery no conflict, jQuery document.ready. When the document is ready, then we are using this form ID here, my form. Okay, you can see here the form ID is my form. You can see here. Then dot with the one line we can easily convert the form data to JSON, right? Form2JSON opening bracket dot results hyphen JSON hyphen down. It is the class, right? We are going to display the results in this class. So you can see here result hyphen JSON hyphen output, right? Okay. Actually, there are no CDN available for this plugin. You need to download and include the plugin. So I provided the download link. Open the download. It will automatically download the file. Okay. Open the file and move to the project folder and unzip the file. Extract here. Okay, I successfully extracted the files. That's it. Now I'm going to run this project. Let me open the index.html file in the Chrome browser. As you can see that it is showing the form fields. Let me fill it. Ranjit, last name Kumar, email ID, then phone number, then subject, demo, comments, hello. Let me submit this form. When I click submit, you can see that it is automatically showing the results in the JSON format. ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, subject, and created date and comments, right? That's it guys. I hope you understand the video tutorial. With the help of this plugin form2JSON jQuery plugin, you can easily convert HTML form data to JSON object. If you have any doubts about this video tutorial, then please leave a comment. I will help you. If you want to receive more videos about JavaScript, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.